forgot to show you, tomorrow, remind me, when we go in the store, right, they have a map of Canada and the U.S. With all the KOAs. Right? So I'll have to show you where Idaho is on the map. I'll show you,
metre sonra hafif sola yönelin.
Hey, Manang.
The meat in the mist is back there, and then he's got to walk back. So here we go here, and walk back. Right?
Okay, yeah.
But like I'm paying up to there.
No, it was.
Listen, my Uber paying up to there. I know, but like I know what you mean. But I was saying to you, they charged me over until there.
Whoa! Wow. And
I paid more too because they've been waiting for you. It's been waiting for you, so they charged me for. That's how they do
it.
It's gonna smell like a lot of weed.
Yeah, that's why.
The Haven.
States Hill.
Okay, we're crossing the street. We're going
the American Falls.
The American side of the waterfall.
American side na diha.
Okay.
American Falls na.
American Falls ang tawag? But still Niagara.
That's the United States there on the other side.
Okay.
Amo ng bridge.
That's how we go across.
Yeah.
US side na diha.
Wow.
USA at Niagara Falls, USA. Niagara Falls, magyapon na tawag, pero USA.
USA.
Yan din, Niagara Falls, Ontario,
Ontario. There's still a lot of people are there. Hey, there's a Made in the Mist.
Angelo.
Yeah?
Those are American people.
Oh, okay. Over there.
And then upstairs there, that's American.
Rainbow. Sige, nag-rainbow. Non-stop ang rainbow.
Oh, no. Look, guys. American side of the Niagara Falls. Wow.
Ano Made of the Mist sa una?
Karon de dili na. Horn blower. So over there is the bridge.
That's the boat. Leaves there.
Yeah.
Goes over there. See it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's go right, almost in the middle.
That's the bridge too far.
The United States.
That's already New York.
Yeah, yes, that's New York.
New York State.
New York State.
That's Buffalo, New York.
Okay. That's the made in the
hornblower. It's called
a hornblower right now.
Used to be the Made of the Mist.
Mist. Canadian side.
Yes, and there's the American side, the green one.
Okay, green one. There's a lot of people too. Look.
Oh yeah, yeah. Americans come up here.
Yeah. Oh, duta eh. Ay, picture isa ako te. Picture isa ako te. Sa American side.
Ako ng camera.
Yes.
That's the Canadian side now.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the other side. See, yan is busy fixing. Hey guys, look, look. Wow. Niagara. Wow. My God. Look how amazing it is. Maya. A chickadee? Housebird. That's housebird. Wow, kuha ay. My God. So beautiful. Can you take me a picture yan? Or a white? The white one is a picture. The white. Thanks. Wow.
Almost.
Look at that chateau, the casino.
That's Queen Victoria Palace.
Yeah,
She
this
was
one, this
invited,
one.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it's Queen Victoria Palace. And here, at my left, look man. Wow, so beautiful. Wala akong masabi man, ganda talaga. Ganda talaga. Ganda talaga man. Wow.
That's a good one.
Rainbow, you know.
The rainbow there?
Yeah, there's a ring over there.
That's a good one. I don't know if your camera will.
Hello.
Yeah. Ito, tiyo, wali tao. Ang boat, ang boat.
Ah, dera. Ang hornblower. It's hornblower now. Used to be made of the mist. Ang isa. US o Canada. Kanang pula, Canada. Kanang isa, US. Oh. Naabot na, Jod.
Tara dyan ko, galing na sa notebook. Galing na ni drawing. It's not drawing anymore. It's real.
The real falls.
Real falls. The Niagara Falls. Oh.
Okay.
Nagkakita, oo.
Ala sila, wakilapot.
Get some closer.
Okay, go. That side is American side. That's the American Falls.
New York State.
New York State.
The bridge.
Rainbow Bridge.
Kapakanan sa mga Pinoy.
Rainbow Bridge, you call it?
Rainbow Bridge.
Rainbow Bridge.
Rainbow
To
Bridge.
cross from Canada to US.
It's still made in the mist, no?
Yeah.
Made of the mist.
Yeah.
That
No, that's
one.
the American one.
American one na sila.
Made in the mist. Made of the mist.
If you can, zoom up on the American flag up on the other side. See it up there? Straight ahead?
Yeah.
No, zoom in.
No, that's the American. There's American flag right there.
That's the highest. That's the highest.
Okay. See?
Hi! Carlos! Woo!
Yan.
And join them, yeah. Join them. Yeah. Okay. Come on, man. Grabe, daghang kay tao. Daghang kay naga suri-suroy. Daghang kay tao. Anyway, happy Canada Day. Everybody's here enjoying the view. And also celebrating the Canada Day. Yeah, oh. Basa. Basa. Okay. Look at the falls, man. Oh. Wow.
I know.
Wapo kayo. Grabe.
Dito, mantugid ka.
Oo.
Pasa, lagi ka.
Ako yung mga tao dito, oh. Doon. Doon tayo, guys. Lindot kayo, guys. Lahi ra jud. Eh,
What can you say?
amazing.
Amazing. Good.
Yeah, very amazing. Nature is very beautiful.
Ano po daw? It's not rainbow.
Oh,
The falls is really nice.
Bijud. Bijud, guys. The best. I only see this in the notebook. Now it's real. Now it's real. See? Oh, guys. Matuod na yun, guys. Wala ko sa Pinoyan Falls, ha? Wala ko sa Surigao. Guys, this falls is the Ontario side, the Niagara side, the Ontario side. And that is the
I used to send a text, and my friend used to text 2 hours later.
Ian, behind Uncle. Carlos, behind.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys, di na yun ni Binuang, guys. Di yung Minduta, guys. Niagara Falls. Promise, personal.
And then you take a photo like that to take.
Look, no? Ang made of the mist, oh, nituyok na sila. Tuyok sila, guys. Amazing yung kayo. Fabulous. May horseshoe. Tawag nilang horseshoe.
So yung ani can diri ka. Diri ka para
Kanking tao, guys.
isag ako, di ba ko matagbaw?
Lagi, dito yung kahit eh. Naka, 100. Tawa, guys. Indot yung kayo. Sige lang, migunong may ate ba? Sige lang, migunong. Picture, unong picture. Kasi ko hindi sige gunong ana, guys. Tagaduol, nindot, magsamot. Oh. Basta ang kuha, guys. Yung mabuha, guys. Promise. Oh. Kating tao, guys. Lain tao, lain klase. Oh. Sana hindi makakuha na. Oh.
Take it all in.
Ano ba tiya, no? I think Carlos is tired.
Kasi wapo siya.
Grabe yung falls. Grabe talaga. Ganda.
Rachel.
Doon kayo. Look, Table Rock. Table Rock. Okay. That's the Table Rock. All the way here. And eroded. Bintao.
A lot of it's eroded already.
Okay.
Fell, right?
So, nag-erode na ang Table Rock. Mauday ay eroded. Grabing tao ba? Maski na Tuesday. Still.
You wet now. The mist.
Grabe. Grabe talaga. Alright, coming soon. Guys. Uwa! Uwa! Uwa!
Niagara Falls.
Marines here in Niagara. Philippine Marines here in Niagara, 91st Marine Battalion, Davao. Uwa! Guys, nakasaagan inyong Marines dali guys. 91st Marine Battalion, 9110th Marine Company. Uwa! So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Pa sila, ate. Woo! Where are they? Iyan, oh. Naglingkod na si Ian.
Asa?
So,
Kapoy.
with him dim lingkod. Danger. Ako mo step outside. Step outside. Grabe ang moist guy. Naligog shower. Basta.
Marag washing machine.
Washing machine guys.
Pero, focus ang focus.
Grabe tao guys. Grabe mga tao dito guys. Lot of people.
5 diha, basic tindog lang diha.
We're trying na mato sa pinaka-near. Ni ate. Ito dyan sa dool. Dool na ni ate sa bunganga dyan talaga guys. Bunganga. Oh, sa fall. Pero ako naligo. Ako shower. Again tayo, picture ko tayo again. Dagan kayo rackets guys. Dagan kayo racket. Wapa kayo siya.
Sila mga magpapa.
Oh.
Diha mi nangapi.
Okay.
Aman to'y Tim Horton sa una. Kung wala na, dito na ang teams.
Paano guys? Ang made of the mist guys. Ano mi diri sa bunganga talaga. Bunganga na. Ano mi sa bunganga guys. So, kato dito mo to sa US, mo tingon ni Antidigna na USA side. Pero usually nagakabuk pa dito sila dire sa Canada. Indot yung guys. Indot kaya. Okay, masabi guys. Indot ha. Wapo kayo guys. Labi na kanina kablo. Medyo gupo. Ay, nako.
Kuman diri mo sa kata dito ka nangihitas. Ano man banyo gihapon diri?
Niagara. Yeah. Dara tayo. Niagara Parks. Oh guys, nag-rainbow guys oh. Klaro kayo, taas na yun kayo. Shower guys. Wala heater guys, wala heater. Grabe din. Tuyo guys. Saan eh? Ang nagnig basa. Kanilang.
Kan kita diri o kay
Kaya
stores
tao.
pa.
Pero tayo na, bakante ta. Darimi ni ate. Ay, wala na te. Dara man day, oh. It's here. Look guys. Dara te. Look guys. Ate, sunod ate.
Dili ka.
Oo. So guys, mo ni siyang mouth. Ano siyang mouth guys. Makita ninyo. Ano siyang mouth. Sabi ko guys, horseshoe. Horseshoe. Guys, mga rin guys. Ang bungat. Bungat sa waterfalls. Sa Niagara. Taas kayang hagbong. Taas kayang hagbong. Sa Tilodi dara, nakisuksok. Maraming nanaw concert. Sok-sok yun. Sok-sok. Tungod lang ani. Nang saon taman nila, di naman yun. Okay. Amin na po. Amin na po. Okay. Birds. Yan, number na natin.
Kumbaman. Okay, ready? Smile. Bo.
God.
Ano, hindi ka pa. Tanaw diri hel.
Canada Day. Canada Day. Rainbow. Canada Day.
Oh, Philippine Marines na abot. Abot, oh. Sa Niagara.
Uwa. Oh, manulod sa amin ni ate. Ay, ma-picture sa amin. Picture. CR. Ay, nulod mi ni ate. Yung tamig kape. We're looking for teams. So, dagang kig tao, no? Maskin diri sa sulod. Souvenir shirt. Souvenir shirt. Ano, mahal diri? Okay. Darati ah. Yung tamig. CR. Yate. Wala. Dati washroom. Ito na. Oh. Washroom. Veneer shop. Medyo may kamahalan lang. Kung parehas ako, naghatag mi siya, nasa 64. Medyo mahal jud. Ay na lang.
Ito na lang ka sa downtown.
Ito na lang sa downtown Spiedina.
Diri ka picturean lang nakatira.
Sige. Look guys, pabalik na mi guys. So here we are. Balik.
The #1 hit music station. You ready? 98.5.
I don't know if it's Canada, eh? Canada, eh? Yeah, it is. He said it's Canada Day. Canada Day. Yeah, it is. It's Canada Day today. We are here at Victoria Place. And Ate
My feet hurt.
and Carlos are resting. Our guys.
And then you see the water comes, right?
Yeah.
There's a building there. See the building?
Yeah.
That produces electricity.
Okay.
The water goes through, and there's turbines that turn and produce electricity.
So it's hydroelectric.
Yes. Caused by the
It's
water.
still Canada side over
Yes.
there.
Yes. Our side is all the way over there, almost.
Okay.
So almost the
So
whole
over there is US.
U.S. over there. Yeah.
over there.
But the majority, like of the falls, is all ours.
Okay.
The horseshoe.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have much, eh?
Mm-hmm. You don't have much. So that's it. This is the American side. The American. And this is the Canadian side. The Niagara Falls. Look.
So we had a falls in Mindanao. It's called Maria. Sometimes they make source of electricity too in Eliga. But this is massive.
Oh, yeah.
This is really massive. And there's also one inside.
Ate Ludi says, wow. Look. Iyan in Carlos.
0.5 ko din ako din.
Oh, sure. Asa dito ka? Dito kayo mga flowers din guys. Oh.
Paduod yun.
Mga roses. Oh, yung gusto ni Ate Ludi, roses. Yeah. Hello guys. Gikan gibaktas ni ate guys. Like, oh, kaya mong gibaktas gikan dito. Ako simod ba dito?
Ibayana ang kamera.
Dito gikan. Na tumoy. Bak grabe ang binatasan. Di siya maayos.
May patus la mama sa una kabata-bata.
Oh, kaya pa ni mama. Abot lang ka sa Redin.
Going to Thames.
Maglisod si Redin. Pabiyaan dyan permi si Redin. No. Kaya nagyapon makani si Redin dere. Hindi na siya sige baktas. Ano guys, muna ning Canada guys. Muna ning Canada guys, extension sa India guys. Grabe, kan kay tao guys.